So the first transformation is going to feature a modern pixie bob style. As you guys know, this is one of the most requested hair trends that we're seeing for 2023. The stylist cuts off all that long, beautiful dark hair. Wow, there is the end result. Absolutely beautiful shape and texture throughout. She looks amazing. Beautifully done. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we will be checking out some more hair transformations. So here we have someone with some curly hair. She has absolutely beautiful textured hair. Looks like she's going to be getting some color added. Very nice. I just love her curly texture. And then we have someone rocking out a bob. Looks like she's going to be switching things up to this pixie style. Ooh, very nice. She does have the swoop bangs with this look as well. Absolutely stunning makeover. Next up, looks like we have someone adding in some bangs. Beautiful pixie style. Nice choppy texture and layers with this pixie cut. Very nice. So if you guys do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles provided within today's video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Oh, so we have a failed pixie makeover here. So I actually really like this. It is a very modernized pixie. She does have the design going here, and then she decided to turn things up even further with this gorgeous icy blue coloring. Such a fun vibe with this look. Love it. So then we have someone else trying out our curly pixie style. She starts off with a bob, and the stylist did cut the hair into more of a pixie shape. Gorgeous texture. And then we have a nice blunt bob style. This one looks like it features some bangs as well. Very nice. Look at all that body, that bounce, that sheen. Beautiful bob. Alright, you guys, I hope you have enjoyed checking out all these hairstyle ideas with me today. If you did, please be sure to give today's video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.